It has been fantastic to attend here as a stakeholder and to share with other stakeholders in the vision for wellbeing moving forward.
We're celebrating all the good work and all the positive work that's going on, whilst we're also acknowledging the crisis that we have at the moment with mental health with our young people.
Really great that we have opportunities like the event today to sit down and listen to people who are on the ground, know what's happening, and can tell us and give us the feedback that we need to actually apply better policies, better outcomes for students on the ground.
It's been really interactive. The World Cafe session was fantastic to go around, to navigate, to see all the ideas, to hear, to share in the opinions, and to have the opportunity to learn more about the work of NYART, about the work of the NEP psychologists, and again, the work of Erasmus, and how we're trying to integrate everything together.
I find it today very, very moving, because it's brought school leaders and the support services into an intimate space where we're sharing our experiences, we're sharing our successes, we're sharing our challenges, and it's exciting.
It has been really good to be here today, and I think all of us as school leaders who are here have had a very positive day.